You can see I have created stunning study notes using Claude AI. Creating exam notes or study notes take a lot of time. The pressure of exams is already stressful, and making detailed notes can take hours. So, here's a simple trick that can make studying much easier. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to create well-organized, exam-ready notes in just a few minutes, without spending money. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Claude AI, or download the Claude app from your device's app store. Once you're logged in, you'll see Claude's simple and clean chat interface. Now we can start creating our notes. The key to getting good notes from AI is writing a specific prompt. Simply entering a topic like gravitation may give you a basic answer. Instead, provide details such as the topic, class level, required depth, and the type of information you want. For example, we can enter gravitation as the topic and class 9 as the academic level. Once the prompt is submitted, Claude can generate structured, exam-focused notes covering sections such as the introduction, process, important concepts, diagrams, factors affecting and more. For example, our gravitation notes can include the concept of gravitation, the universal law of gravitation, important formulas, acceleration due to gravity, mass and weight, free fall, and their related concepts. And if you think the notes need more information, there's no need to start over. Simply use a follow-up instruction such as, explain this topic in more detail. You can also ask, add descriptions for the important diagrams. Include a short summary at the end. Or, add important exam questions that are likely to be asked. In this example, I will say, make the notes more detailed by adding clear diagram descriptions, expanding key explanations and structures, and including a short summary at the end. Also add important exam questions with likely marks, 1, 2, 3, or 5 marks. Keep everything clear, accurate, and grade 9 exam focused. Claude will use the existing conversation and improve the notes accordingly. You can organize the notes into sections covering the definition of gravitation, universal law of gravitation, force of gravity, acceleration due to gravity, mass and weight, free fall, equations of motion under gravity, thrust and pressure, buoyancy, Archimedes' principle, key terms, revision points, and practice questions. This makes the notes easy to understand, revise, and prepare from before an exam. You can also download your notes once they are complete. Another extremely useful feature is the ability to upload your existing study material. If you already have a textbook, PDF, Word document, or image, simply click the attachment icon in the chat and upload your file. Then give Claude an instruction such as, create detailed study notes from this chapter and highlight the most important points. Claude can analyze the uploaded material and turn it into concise, organized notes. This can be especially helpful when you have a long chapter to study and very little time before the exam. Once the notes are ready, you can also ask Claude to prepare them as a Word document or PDF. For example, simply say, convert these notes into a PDF. Claude can create a downloadable file that you can save to your phone or laptop and print whenever needed. So, that's how you can use Claude AI to quickly create organized and exam-ready study notes. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which subject you're going to try this method with. Thank you for watching.